Hello, I'm going to show you how to create a BBC call list very quickly. Very first step we want to do is go to your OLS and select the class. I chose body sculpting was my class. Select the class, select the section number, select the student name. You want to go here to select every student in the classroom and then click export. Once you've exported this, it's going to export in a CSV file. This has to be a CSV file, absolutely period. Once you've got that, open that file. Once you have the file open, we want to copy the student IDs and the student name. I'll be sending out a blank BBC form, and in this template, you want to go ahead and copy your student IDs and names in here. Once you have that, select File, Save As, and make sure you save it somewhere you can grab it rather quickly because we're going to use that in the very next step. I've already done it, so I don't have to save it again. At this point, I want to open up my BBC login, and then select Send a Message. What you do not want to do not send an emergency call. Make sure you send an outreach call. Outreach is the key. Do not send an emergency call. Select Outreach, and then it will bring up different options for you to select. Give it a title at this point. I'm going to say, Let's Get in Shape. Now you want to go ahead and select your To field. This is the critical steps here. Very first thing, go to where it says Contact, select the drop-down arrow, and Import Call List. Very next step, select Site. The site you need to select will only give you Georgia Cyber. Select Georgia Cyber, then select Files. Once you select Files, you'll scroll down to the file you just saved on your desktop, so you can grab that again. Mine is named BBC Template. You can name it whatever you like. Open it, and ta-da, there you go. It's all loaded. At this point, you just have to do the maintenance, and that's select Done. Right now, I have the telephone that's being selected, so what I'm going to do with that telephone call is I need to add text to speech, or you can add your own voice if you want to jazz it up a little bit. I'm going to say class starts in 20 minutes. Be there or be square. Once I have that, again, you can select email if you want to add an email also. You can select text message if you want to add a text message. I'm just going to leave it at a phone call. I want to make it seamless and easy for you guys. Scroll down to when you want to send the call. I want to send it now since class is going to start in 20 minutes, or you can set these up pre-time. You can set this up 20 minutes before your class to send out the night. You can set up the night before and have it send at a certain time. So the option is up to you. Select Next, and it'll give me a confirmation page. This shows that I have 78 calls going out. I don't have any emails or text messages going out. Then I will select Send. Once you've done that, you're good to go.